Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and in this video I'll unbox and review the April Cutebox, which is an affordable jewelry subscription box priced at Rs 399 plus 50 for shipping. But you can get the 3 and 6 months subscription at discounted prices and get surprise gift too by using the code simply SONAM. 3-month subscription would be for 1290 rupees and you'll get one surprise gift. And half yearly subscribers would be getting 2 surprise gifts and the 6 cute boxes, of course, at Rs 2520, and these prices are including shipping. So without any further delay, let's start unboxing. Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So this is how the box has reached me. Once we open the outer courier packaging, we have this beautiful brown cardboard box with a colorful and nice logo that says Cutebox. So the box has reached me in good condition. There's no damage or anything. It is a sturdy box actually. Once we open, we have the info card and here are all the products very nicely packaged, and inside that we have these mesh pouches. So let me start with my favorite product in the box. So here is a beautiful choker necklace with a big pendant like this. It is a bit heavy but the work is just amazing. I love the pattern, and this is a velvety choker here. I really like it. You can wear it like a small chain also, like not entirely stuck to your neck like choker, because it has a extender like this. There is a chain, so it can be a little long like this. I feel this will look lovely as a choker itself. You can wear this with all your ethnic outfits and make a very nice Indo-Western statement by pairing this with a Western outfit like a jeans top or a Western one-piece dress. So for this necklace you don't have an option, but there are similar patterns like this in different shapes and that will be sent randomly. Then the next product in the box is this bracelet. It has these moonstones, white color stones, and it is a stretchable one, so it will fit all wrists. The back side is in golden color, and yeah, it is a nice statement piece kind of bracelet. It will look good with both ethnic and western wear. Along with that, I have chosen this earrings. So this bracelet is fixed for all, but you do have a choice for these earrings, and these are the ones I chose because they actually match the bracelet and I did like them the most. It has these same moonstone white color stones and this golden small hanging kind of earrings, and this will look lovely on casual wear. Any suit, any ethnic or western, anything, this is good to go, and a very nice dainty piece, a daily wear kind of piece. So I did like it a lot, and this perfectly matches with the bracelet. Then the second earring for which I had choice are these. So this is what I chose. These are hoop earrings in black metal finish. They do have similar earrings in different metal tones like golden, silver, etc. And I like this the most. They do have some other designs also, like statement ethnic pieces to choose, but this is what I like the most, and this is something that I will definitely be wearing. I love such designs and hoops really suit my face shape. So this is what I chose and I'm quite happy with my choice. Then finally there is another piece of earring for which there is no choice. The color will be sent randomly but the design will remain the same for everybody. So this is how the earrings look like. Very lightweight, very funky and very nice quirky kind of design. I really liked it. It is just perfect for western wear, but you can wear this with suits and kurtis also. The combination also I liked, white pearl and stone with black and brown. I did like the color combination, but this part is random coloring, so you might get any random color. So those are all the jewelry pieces in the April Cutebox. Along with that, we have got this surprise gift for regional festivals in April. So it has come in a very cute packaging like this. Let's see what it is. Okay, so this is again a piece of jewelry, and this is a finger ring. This is how it looks like. It has a beautiful butterfly with stones in it, white stone. So this is how it looks. I really like it. It's a nice statement piece. and it is adjustable, and the stone has good shining too, and this is just a surprise gift, so that way it is quite good. Now let's have a look at the info card. The theme this month is City Stylers Edition 2018, because most of these products are kind of for western wear, not very ethnic. They can be worn with ethnic wear, but mostly this is for western wear outfits, so that is why they have mentioned City Styler Edition, and they are very classy and that kind of jewelry. In the contents, they have a neck piece, a bracelet, earring number 1, which will be this one without any choice, and then earring number 2 and 3 are these two are with choice. And then we have got a regional gift which is not mentioned here. We have all the social media handles and the contact number mentioned here. You can place order through these handles. Well, my favorites would be the neck piece, and then this bracelet and earring combo, and even these hoop earrings, I like them. Overall, the box is good. You get choice option also for 2 of the earrings, and everything comes at a very affordable price tag of just rupees 399 plus shipping. So if any of you like this box and are interested in ordering one for yourself, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. You will also find 3 links to the giveaways running on my channel, 2 for Zoe bags and 1 for Princess Box gift hamper, so make sure you check them out and participate. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and you can be the lucky winner of these hampers and entire bags, so don't miss your chance. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below, and if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.